Hi, my name's Mark Robinson. I'm a poet from West Des Moines, and I'm going to read my poem, Dear Mr. Stevens. Dear Mr. Stevens, here the birds sound like howling dogs in the middle of the day, in the middle of the desert. At night, words like feather and fluttering fill my dreams. There is something harsh about the front lawns of pebbles and sand, but the pale moon hangs large over downtown in constant morning sun. The pastel yellow plaster of the Roman church, its beautifully manicured and deep green grass, stands out as the sort of haven you would have searched out in this dusty town. Alone in the darkness, in a pew among the candles and the crucifix, your face still and your eyes closed, wrestling to reconcile the real with the imagined, arranging, deepening, enchanting, never hearing the pounding on the door, the crowd of us frantic to get in.